Hello and welcome to CIA. My name is Mayank, and in this video I am going to tell you the major differences between action, condition and decisions in Mautic Campaign. Right, as you can see, I am in the Mautic Campaign builder and I have already chosen the test segment here as a source. So you can choose either segment and you can choose the forms. For this you can use campaign forms. So coming back to our original topic. So as you can see, there are three paths that you can take from your root or the source, right? So one is action, one is condition and one is decision. And Mautic is giving you a small description what it is exactly, but I'm going to tell you in details how to actually decide what should be the path you take and how it will lead you to your successful campaign. Okay, so after the segment, usually first thing is action, but there are options that you can take, for example, if the contact is coming in and you only want to take this action, or let's say you have created two emails and in one email you are only targeting the people who are part of US, and in one email you are only targeting the people who are part of Germany. So language can be different, right? So how do you decide? So what you can do is, instead of going to action and directly sending the email, you can go to condition, and condition will allow you to check all the parameters that a contact has, right? So these are the things which are associated with contacts. So action is something that you are going to take or your campaign is going to take, but conditions let you choose what action you want to take based on what is the property of this contact. For example, you can choose what is the contact's campaign, what is the device, contact field value. For example, in this case, if I want to check if I want to send the email when the country of this contact is equal to some of the country which is here. So let's choose Germany, right? So I choose Germany and I edit it. So what is happening here, when the country of this contact is Germany, then you can take some action. For example, send this email, whatever email you want to choose, right? And if the country is not Germany, that will be the rest of the cases. So you can choose another action. So let's say you want to change this contact's campaign and add this to some other campaign. Okay. So this is what you do with the conditions. Conditions allow you to choose what should be the value of some of the contact's property, and based on that value, what action you want to take. So this is about conditions, and now we know about actions as well. Action is something you are taking on the contact. But now what is decision? So decision is something which the contact is going to do. What you have done is, you have taken an action, you check the condition on the contact, then you took the action. Now both part which were in your control are done. Now this third part, which is decision, this is the part what your contact is going to do. So if you go and see in the decision section, you will see that all the actions are based on what a contact can do. So for example, if you send the email, if he is opening the email, if he is visiting the device, if he is downloading the asset, submitting the form, visiting the page. So these are all the decisions that your contact can take on your action, right? So for example, if in this case I choose the click email and add. So now again we have here two paths. One is positive, one is negative. So if the contact is taking some action, which is let's say he clicks the email in this case, so then again you can take action, or you can again put some condition on this, right? So let's say you just want to modify some tag. Okay, so let's put some tag here, add. So this is done. When the contact is taking this decision, you are modifying a tag. So what happens in the negative case? In the both, as you see here, you are able to take another action. Okay, so now this part is complete. So I hope you were able to understand and I was able to explain clearly what is the difference between action, condition and decision. If you have any questions or query, please comment how you are liking my videos. You can tell me in the comments. Your feedback matters. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please click that like button and do consider subscribing. Thank you.